Good evening! Good evening mga palangga! Ang warm dito sa downstairs. Kasi, yung wood burner natin, nakalit siya. There. And the usual, wala dito si Jan kasi pinick up niya yung Can-Am at yung Polaris. Maganda pag may wood burner. Pero yung downside lang talaga. Tingnan niyo. Madaming, ano bang tawag nito? Abo? Alikabok? No, hindi siya alikabok. Ano ba? Ashes? Ashes. Yeah, ashes. Ano bang Tagalog sa ashes? Diba abo? Iwan ko ba? At tingnan nyo dito. Oh. Nakikita niyo yan? Nakikita ba sa camera? Yan. May mga puti-puti dyan. Mga ano yan? Mga ashes yan. Palagi ko naman siyang nililinis. Baka sabihin ng iba, ay, hindi ka kasi naglilinis. Nililinis ko kaya yan. Depensa pa more. Totoo naman talaga. Naglilinis ako eh. Sadya lang talaga, pag may wood burner ka, makaka-relate ka sa akin. Mas malala pag meron kang open fire. Pero wala tayong open fire, which is okay na. I am satisfied na ganito lang kami. Sabi ni Jan, kung magpapa-extension tayo sa bahay, maglagay tayo ng open fire. Sabi ko, no, thank you. Mas mabuti na ganito. Sabi niya, pag may open fire daw, pwede mo ilagay yung potato mo. Sabi ko, ilalagay ko na lang sa oven. Namiss ko yung tawag ni Mr. Hello, sorry, I missed your call. Are you on your way? Okay. Alright then. Take care. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye. So, tumawag siya. Pauwi na daw siya. So, kailangan ko nang magluto. Yan yung go signal ni Mr. Turn on the oven. At least, no, tinuturn on ko na lang yung oven. Kasi noon talaga, sa amin sa probinsya ha, isi-share ko to. Before kami nagkaroon ng gasol, kahoy yung ginagamit namin. So, pahirapan talaga. Kung taga-probinsya ka at ranasan mo to na kung magluluto ka at kahoy yung gamit mo at mangingiyak-ngiyak ka talaga. Apir. Kasi naranasan ko din yan. Fries. Pero masaya sa probinsya, oy. Kasi kahit na simple lang yung buhay sa probinsya, sama-sama kayong mga pamilya, hindi tulad dito. Iba talaga sa ibang bansa. Sa ibang bansa, yung mga kapitbahay mo, hindi talaga, parang iba talaga sa Pilipinas. Ibang-iba sa Pilipinas kumpara sa ibang bansa.
Hello. Sausages. These are for Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, for the dogs.
They are not. They can't eat. No, they're not allowed to eat sausages.
Why not?
Because it's too good for them.
Don't give me that, John.
Look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you, darling.
There you go. John's plate. And
my eggs
mine. Yes, your eggs is perfect. It's always perfect.
Oh, stop it. You can.
I said this egg is perfect. My sunny side up.
The next day.
Hello, Pippa. Good morning, Phoebe. That's it. That's it. Right. Good morning, guys. Saturday morning. I've just been out to deliver one of my machines. I'm just come back now. I'm just going to give the dogs a little run down the field, and then I'll go and take my second machine out. I hire them out, you see. So anyway, they're going out. Another one's going today. I'll show you in a minute what's what, and I'll probably run the camera while I'm on my trip. So, but the good news is I'm hoping that today, this morning, I'm going to be able to refit the body of the Range Rover onto the chassis, because the chassis is now complete with everything on it as it should be. So now's the time to marry them up and put the body on top, hopefully without any problems. So anyway, I'll show you that later. But anyway, for now I will just sign out, and then I will be back on. Oh, there's a Scooby-Doo's. It's a nice morning actually. It's quite a lot milder this morning as well. Because the other day on Thursday it was so cold here. We had an easterly wind, or northeasterly wind, and by dingo the wind didn't go around you, it went through you. It was that cold. But anyway, this last 2 days it's been much warmer, which is good. Right, anyway, see you in a while, guys. Bye. Right, I'm here in the workshop. That's the machine I'm going to deliver in a minute. I'm taking that in a second, but I'll just show you the Range Rover. I'll just show you the Range Rover chassis, because now the chassis is ready and the body is there under the cover, which is going to be put onto this chassis. As you can see now, the chassis is complete. Fuel tank, exhaust, all the running gear is on it, engine, everything, as much as I can do on it is done. I'll just go around it now just so you can see a bit better. There's new exhaust system, new fuel tank, all the suspensions new. These are just the old wheels there. The new ones are now been shot blasted, going to go to the paint shop for painting. But as you can see now, this is all complete, all exhaust systems on, it's done, all the steering is all connected and done, set up. So now we can actually physically take the body, here's the body, take it off this jig that I've got it sat on, and I'll just show you how good you can actually see it on the camera, but it looks like brand new, as you can see. Look, so bright and shiny. So we'll get that sat on to the chassis. I'll unbolt it all off this chassis, off this jig, and lift it up and hopefully just lower it down slowly onto the chassis. It's got 10 fixing points, so we'll get all those in, mounted on rubber, and then hopefully once that's on, then we can start to reassemble the whole body shell then, with all the wiring looms and everything. So anyway, let's see how we go. Anyway, sign out for now. That's it, guys. Right, I've just revealed the body, which I'm going to now unbolt off the jig that's been or the Rossley, what you want to call it, it's been living on for the last few months. So I get it unbolted, and then I'll get it lifted up and put onto there. So I'll keep hopefully unbolt quite easily before. Anyway, I'll just have to switch some air and stuff on now. Right, so that's the air switched on. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I will just get it all unbolted, and I'll get it lifted up and show you the process as I'm going through. At the moment I'll just switch off. That's it. As you can see now, I've got it unbolted off the jig, so it's up in the air. So now I'll remove the jig from underneath, and then I've got to on all the 10 points I need to put these mounting rubbers onto the body, ready to lower down onto the chassis. So I shall do that and just slide the jig out of the way now. Right, so we can start trying to fit some of these on. Let's have a go, see what happens. Right, let's take more. We'll take 4 more. There it goes. That's that bit done. Right. Push that forwards. So, going back it wrong way, isn't it? Too far up there. Switch that off. Don't actually see what I'm doing, guys. So the back end needs to go like that. I don't know if you can see, but I've actually got the body shell at a slight angle like this, so the back mountings go on first and we'll just lower them down slowly so we go along getting the bolts in, because it's quite difficult. Right, I'll just switch off for the minute. Have you come to see me, Bears? You're always coming to see Daddy in the workshop, aren't you? Yeah, always coming to see Poppy in the workshop. Yeah, there we go. What do you think, Bears? We've got the body on now. Look at that, eh? Starting to look better now, isn't it? The two bits have married up. Yeah? As you can quite clearly see, Pippi come out of there, you get squashed. They were all in, but this, there's a lot of stuff to go in here yet. There's a floor section to go in, there's some cross beams to go in, there's an aluminium floor goes in the back. This piece here is quite a big piece, it comes all the way to here, but we don't put that in yet because we've got a lot of all the pipe work to get through, fuel pipes, everything like that. So basically we just leave that out for the time being, but I can get a lot of the stuff in there, all the wiring looms, the heat, well I can't put the heater in until the floor's in, but get all the brake system and stuff in. They get a lot of stuff in now, and then once I get all the wiring looms threaded through, then I'll get the roof painted and that can be put on. I just saving the roof till later basically, and that's the jig. So that's that. Yeah, and that's what it's looking like now. Starting to come back to being a car. There's no outer panels, there's this, all the wings and back wings and doors, everything to put on now. So a lot of work now, but it'll all come together quite nicely. Anyway, that's my update for the time being. I need to just, I haven't tightened the bolts down yet onto the chassis. I'll do that now, and then we're done. So it's all, the progress is happening now. Things will happen quite quickly. Okay, bye for now. I'm just, probably see me driving, possibly. I'm just now driving, delivering the truck. You can see through the back window there. I'll just show you this way. Oh, we've got a few squirrels here on the road. One running down, I don't know if you can see it. One little grey squirrel, up there it is. Oh yeah, we have lots of grey squirrels here, lots. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, so we're just going down to this place here. Beautiful place just here. See all the nice autumn colours. Oh, look at all these birds on the road, pheasants. Pheasants, 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 lots of them. There we go. Everywhere this morning. They're mental. Come on, get up and fly. That's it. Up you go. Cock pheasant there. There we go. Yeah, I'll be here in a minute. Such a narrow little lane this is. You have to be quite cautious going down it. It's full of pheasants again, and I can see a partridge. Yes, they'll move, they'll go into the hedges. On in you go, 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 go. That's it, that's it. There we go. Might be a bit shaky. Here we go. Yeah. You're going to see a lovely big house in a minute. It's like a country estate. Well, it is a country estate house. Pheasants all over the place. On a mission. Not that, that's just a barn, that. Birds everywhere this morning. There we go. This is the joys of me, my job. Get to go to all these nice places. But, here we go. Oh, birds everywhere. hedge you can see in front, that's the hedge around the house basically. You'll see the house in a second. It's a nice big house, very big. Costs very, very expensive. This is the entrance here. We've got another squirrel there, look. Here's a big house up there, can you see it? Look at the house, yeah? Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to have to turn off because that's it, right. Back in a bit, guys.
Hello! Hello, Bess! So, nandito na ako sa bahay. I am done with my 3-hour shift. Dadalawin natin si Jan kung ano yung ginagawa niya dito. Oh, it's looking like a car now. I'll show you. Did you vlog? Did you vlog? Oh yes, he did vlog because the camera is here. There. It looks good, hun. It really looks good now, honey.
It's getting better.
It's getting better.
It's a matter of time then. It'll be,
Yeah. I'm pretty sure Jan covered all this already, so that's it. I think nandito na yung certificate ko sa introduction of phlebotomy. Titingnan natin. I'm so excited. So I am using my phone right now. Saan ko ba kayo ilalagay? Uy. So wala tayong tripod. Yan. Diyan kayo. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is to certify that has achieved 3 credits at level 3. Introduction of a phlebotomy. Oh, that's good, honey. Nice. Renewal, yung certificate, ma-expire siya within 18 months. Renewal date, 18 months from the certificate date. So, ito siya, oh. Yan. At least, nandito na siya. So, another certificate na naman yung hinihintay ko for my advanced phlebotomy and cannulation. And then, another certificate again after sa live blood session kasi bibigyan ka din nila ng certificate if mag-proceed ka sa live blood session. December pa yun, pero malapit na mag-December. So anyway, magbibihis muna ako and ano ba, kakain? Kasi yung utak ko ngayon, food lang talaga ang iniisip. Gutom ako.